Hello everyone, my name is Jenny Cahalne, BSIT 3D. And now I will demonstrate how to install Laravel. First, I will open CDN, then I add Composer, create dash project, Laravel dash Laravel. Then yung file name mo, there. While waiting sa i-define ko muna yung model view controller. MVC is a software architectural pattern used for designing and authorizing applications, particularly in web and desktop development. It separates an application into three interconnected components. First is model. This component handles the data and business logic of the application. It represents the state of the application and manages the data, including retrieval, storage, and manipulation. It notifies the view when changes occur so that the user interface can be updated accordingly. Second, view. The view is responsible for displaying the data to the user. It represents the user interface or UI elements and presents the data from the model. The view is typically updated based on changes in the model and may trigger updates or interactions in the model. Third is the controller. Controller acts as an intermediary between the model and the view. It processes user input, manipulates the model based on that input, and updates the view to reflect any changes. The controller interprets the user's actions, interacts with the model to perform operations, and then updates the view accordingly. In summary, the MVC pattern helps to separate concerns within an application, promoting organized and modular code. This separation makes it easier to manage complexity, faci- facilitate testing, and support scalability and maintainability. After it's done, i-open ko ang VS Code. Then, open folder. Yung file na ginawa niya po, kahalme. Select folder. Waiting na transfer. Then, punta tayo sa routes. Here. Pinatutin yung web.php. More. Sa taas. Terminal. New terminal. Then, ilagay po natin yung PHP artisan serve. Then, enter. After it's done, copy po natin ito. Control C. Sa browser. Paste po natin yung pinapi natin. Enter. Wait lang po natin hanggang sa matapos. Yan, meron na po siya. Then, direct po tayo sa VS Code. Open natin itong app. Para natin yung controller. Then, pinatin yung controller.php. Next, ay pinaganda din yung more. Terminal. Tapos create a new terminal. Then lagay po natin ang PHP artisan make the controller or kahit anong name na ilagay. Pwede rin. Turn enter. Okay, created successfully na daw. Balik ulit po tayo sa route. So, that's page B. Para mag-create tayo ng new route. So, dagdagan lang natin to. Kahit anong word, or anong gusto yun. Okay rin. So, dapat. Try to word. Then, i-save na natin siya. Tayo sa browser. Lagyan lang natin sa naman. Dash. Yung nilagay ng word. And wala pa nagpapista kasi hindi pa tayo gumawa ng kung tayo sa views. At dito sa resources, then views. Pwede yung welcome.blade.php. Gagawa lang tayo ng page ay ng ng HTML. Kaya tanggal na natin ito lahat. Or kahit anong attributes ilagay nyo, pwede rin. Roles. Well. Pagkatapos niya, na-save na natin ito. Ayan, na-save na. Then, refresh natin yung browser. Saan yung ginawa mo. Control R for refresh. Or kahit anong gusto nyo. Saan yung sa inyo. Tapos nito, yan na po ang end ng aking pag-demonstrate. Thanks for watching.